If you're in the market for a Bluetooth speaker, you would quickly realize that there are just a handful of key players who dominate this product space.
The JBL Go-To.
The JBL Charge 5.
JBL, the charge for you
So
personally.
the JBL Flip line of speakers is
the new JBL Pulse 4 with
ये है JBL Flip 5 तो
The Pulse 3 speaker, of course.
JBL Boombox.
The Pulse 4 is new exact.
With more than one product in each category, the JBL is leading this market segment. There are also mainstream manufacturers like Sony, LG, and even Bose who have ventured into this market. Apart from these key players, there are a ton of rebranded Chinese products, few of which are giving stiff competition to the leaders in this segment. If you wish to make a safe bet, you can go with any of the offerings given by the mainstream manufacturers and you won't be disappointed. But doing a bit of research will definitely be rewarding. This is the primary reason I'm making this video. So viewers, I'm about to share my thoughts on the Bluetooth speaker from a less known brand, but it has made quite a statement in the value proposition. So without further ado, let's cue in the intro and get into the video. So I was on the lookout for a Bluetooth speaker as a gift for my wife. My criteria were good sound, reasonably compact, good battery life with USB-C charging, and a budget of 10,000. To start with, I did shortlist the Sony SRS XB33 model. I felt it was quite good with all the party lights and stereo speaker setup. But the thought of going above 10,000 budget for a Bluetooth speaker was troubling me continuously. So I went on a research spree to find a better alternative that fits my budget. Those efforts did realize in the form of the Soundcore Motion Plus from Anker. As a company, Anker made its name by providing quality energy solutions in the world of electronics. They ventured into audio accessory market with their first Bluetooth speaker in 2014. Slowly, they started adding more products to their portfolio and eventually created a sub-brand named Soundcore. So although you haven't heard about them much, they are not new to the segment. Today, we are looking at the 2020 iteration of a Bluetooth speaker from Soundcore named Motion Plus. I did buy this from Flipkart for 6,800 rupees. The packaging was done very well. It clearly shows that with some creativity, you can make something feel special without spending much. A great example for this is the plastic contraption they made to hold the speaker in place. Cheap yet cheerful. Design-wise, the Motion Plus flaunts an atypical design. It doesn't sport a rounded or cylindrical form factor unlike the majority of the players in the segment. Having 5 speakers packed in this form factor makes it look more like a compact soundbar rather than a Bluetooth speaker. Kid you not, as I was unboxing this, my wife thought I just bought a small soundbar. This speaker is well weighted. It is definitely not the type that you can hang it over your wrist with a tag and take it for a hike. Its surface is rubberized, smooth to the touch yet feels solid. Yes, it is IPX5 water resistant, so you can take it for a shower or a pool party, but it isn't an excellent swimmer though. The power button is to the left of the speaker. Below this is a rubberized flap with some water seals housing the USB-C charging and the aux input. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge and promises about 12 hours of battery life. The speaker has 5 physical buttons on the top of the speaker. You have the active bass button, the volume up and down buttons, the play and pause button in the middle, and the Bluetooth pairing button to the left. There is also an LED indicator that displays the pairing status of the device. The Motion Plus can connect with 2 devices at the same time and also can be paired with another Motion Plus speaker in the stereo setup mode. Now let's come to the interesting bit. For the price of 6,800 rupees, the sound that this speaker puts out is unbelievable. With well positioned 5 speakers in this device, the highs, the mids and the lows are well taken care and has a very balanced sound. It also houses a passive radiator behind it so that the sound fills the room without much distortion. Let me just show you a sample of the sound output with 70% of the volume. I have kept my mic around 1 feet distance from the speaker. So this is the good time to wear your headphones. Also, I cannot assure you that this will be an accurate representation of the sound output. So please take this with a grain of salt.
Can't wait till I'm back up on my feet again. Won't be so hard to love. And when my window shows about a day, won't be so hard to love. I hate when I bring you down. I hate when I bring you down so low. I hate when I bring you down.
With Bluetooth 5.0, the range is also very good. With my phone in the pocket, I was able to walk a couple of rooms and still I stayed connected. One other neat trick Motion Plus has is the Soundcore Android application. You can connect this device to the Soundcore application and customize the equalizer to your liking, adjust the volume and even update the firmware. Although there are not enough adjectives to correctly describe how good the sound quality of the speaker is, this Motion Plus speaker is not without its little quirks. Some of the little cons that this speaker has is a lack of a charging output port. Anker is a company that specializes in charging tech and battery technology. So I was expecting that they should have given an output to charge your devices on the go. But I should also say that the battery housed within this device is only 6700 mAh, which is powering 5 speakers. So I think they have made the wise decision not to go with a charging output which will drain the battery even more. So it is not a deal breaker for me. So here are my final thoughts. This is a speaker that punches above its weight class. It actually competes with speakers that are in the 10,000 budget range. This speaker has really impressed me a lot. I would definitely recommend this to any of my friends who are looking for a Bluetooth speaker. So if you are a person who's looking for a Bluetooth speaker that is just great in sound quality and you are ready to compromise on the lack of cool design, party lights and even branding, then the Soundcore Motion Plus is the speaker for you. Of all the great content you could have clicked on YouTube, thank you for choosing this video. I really appreciate it. If you liked this video, hit the like button once. If you did not, hit the dislike button and leave your constructive feedback and questions in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel IJO for more videos on tech, travel and other interesting life hacks. See you all soon in another video. Until then, stay safe and stay cool.